Yeah, coming back. Good morning, all of you. So yesterday we have faced some problems to watch the class. Okay. Of course, at initial stage you have to face some problems because already you are habituated to the one platform that is through WhatsApp. So anyway, enjoy the new way of watching classes. So next, the last topic from amines that is already you might have seen, that is coupling reactions. Okay, coupling. Yes. Coupling means here combination of compounds. Combination of compounds. So actually, phenols and aniline, phenols and aniline are involved in coupling reactions with diazonium salts. Okay, with diazonium salts gives colored compounds. Okay, colored products are formed. So actually here these are known as azo dyes. Azo dyes. Why? Because azo dyes, these colored compounds contains azo linkage. Okay, this is azo linkage. This one is the azo linkage. Okay, colored compounds contains N double bond N. Okay, here is the azo linkage. Okay, so that's why these are called the azo dyes. Okay, so and these reactions are also useful for identification of phenols and aniline. Why? Because the phenol or aniline on reaction with the diazonium salt gives a colored product. The appearance of the colored product so confirm that given compound is phenolic compound or aniline compound. Okay, so write down this. Phenols and aniline, phenols and aniline, phenols and aniline derivatives, phenols and aniline derivatives, phenols and aniline derivatives, phenols and aniline derivatives on coupling reaction with on coupling reaction with on coupling reaction with benzene diazonium salts, benzene diazonium salts, benzene diazonium salts, benzene diazonium salts produce colored compounds, produce colored compounds, produce colored compounds, produce colored compounds which contains N double bond N azo linkage, 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 hence called as azo dyes, hence called as azo dyes, hence called as azo dyes, hence called as azo dyes. This coupling reactions is also useful for this coupling reactions is also useful for identification of this coupling reactions is also useful for identifications of phenol and aniline compounds, phenol and aniline compounds, phenol and aniline compounds. So this reaction is also called as azo dye test. Azo dye test. Azo dye test for phenols and aniline. Okay. So first one, coupling of benzene diazonium salt with phenol. Coupling of benzene diazonium salt with phenol. Coupling of benzene diazonium salt with phenol. With phenol. Okay. With phenol. Okay. See this one. It is carried out. It is carried out in presence of alkali medium. Okay, alkaline medium. That means here weakly. Okay, pH 9 to 10. Alkali medium. Okay, see this one. This is benzene diazonium salt. Okay, pH N2 plus 6. Now this one on reaction with phenol in basic medium. The pH must be between 9 to 10. Weakly basic medium. Okay, weakly basic medium. So weakly basic medium means that base remove the proton from the phenol. Okay, that base remove the proton from the phenol. Okay, na? So this is a phenoxide ion. This is phenoxide ion. Okay. So actually here than the phenol, phenoxide ion is a more reactive towards electrophile substitution reaction, because this OH is a plus M group because of the lone pair of electrons, and as well as minus I group. Okay. With respect to inductive effect, it is electron withdrawing group. With respect to resonance, it is a donating group. Now coming to the O minus, it is a plus M group with respect to resonance, and is also plus I group with respect to inductive effect. O minus, that is the negatively charged groups are strong electron donating groups. Okay, so that means here the both effect increase the more electron density on the benzene, but in this case here plus M minus I. So compared to phenol, it is a more reactive phenoxide ion. So now here this is acting as a electrophile. This is acting as a electrophile. See this one, N double bond N. This one carries a positive charge. Okay. Now for suppose these two electrons are transferred to this nitrogen, we get PHN double bond N. Okay, two electrons, because two bonding electrons transferred to this nitrogen. Then this one carries a positive charge. Okay, that is carries a positive charge. Now this is the electrophile. So this electrophile means here already here in this case one lone pair, one lone pair. Just here bonding electrons transferred. Okay, around the nitrogen octet, around the nitrogen octet. 3 bonds and 2 electrons, 8. Here 4 bonds, 8. There is octet. Of course, it is a stable resonating structure. It is an unstable resonating structure because here 3 bonds and 2 non-bonding electrons, 8 electrons. There is an octet configuration around this nitrogen. But around this nitrogen, there is no octet configuration because 2 bonds, that means here 4 bonding electrons, here 2 electrons, totally 6. So this nitrogen is electron deficient. This nitrogen is electron deficient. That means acting as electrophile. This electrophile attacks at the para position of this phenoxide ion. Okay. So we get, that means at para position H plus replaced by the this benzene diazonium ion. Okay. This is the azo dye. Actually here this is orange red color. This is orange red colored compound. Okay, that is orange red colored compound. Okay, very very important. So here phenols are involved in coupling reaction. Phenols are involved in coupling reaction in the presence of alkali medium, weakly alkali medium. Okay, that is the important point. Okay, for suppose second one, coupling of diazonium salts with aniline, with aniline. So actually here it is carried out. It is carried out in the presence of acid medium. That means here weakly acidic medium. Weakly acidic medium. That means here pH 5 to 6. pH of the solution 5 to 6. So here in this case, this benzene diazonium salt, on treating with aniline in the presence of the acid medium pH 5 to 6. Okay, then what is the product actually here? In this case, this is NH2 donating group, ortho para directing. So this electrophile pH N double bond N, this is the plus. This electrophile, benzene diazonium electrophile, attacks at the para position. So product is this one NH2 N double bond N, here benzene. This is yellow colored. This is actually aniline yellow. This is aniline yellow colored compound. Okay, so appearance of the yellow colored compound that indicates aniline, the appearance of the orange red colored compound that indicates phenolic compound. Okay, so coupling with phenol, here coupling with aniline. So with aniline, yellow colored compound, with phenol, orange red colored compounds are produced. This is carried out in the presence of acidic medium. It is carried out in the presence of this is carried out in the presence of basic medium. Here in this case, weakly acidic medium. Okay, weakly basic medium, weakly acidic medium. Okay, so that's it. So actually here, why you have to use the weakly acidic medium? If strong acid, okay, if strong acid is used, that means here high concentration of the acid is used. So that pH NH2, this aniline is a base, aniline is the base, protonation takes place. So pH NH3 plus, here in this case no more substitution. Okay, no more coupling reaction, because that becomes NH3 plus. NH3 plus is the withdrawing group. Okay, so no more substitution on the benzene ring. Okay, so that's why weakly acidic medium must be used. So what is the purpose of the weakly acidic medium? If strong acid is used, that means if strong acid is used, that NH2 also protonated, that becomes NH3 plus, that deactivate the benzene ring. So no more coupling reaction, no more alcohol substitution reaction. But what is the role of this weakly acidic medium? Here you know that what is the role of weakly alkaline medium? Okay, in the presence of weakly alkaline medium, that remove the H plus, that is converted to O minus. It is a far more reactive than the phenol. Now here NH2, this aniline is more reactive than the phenol. Okay, this aniline is more reactive than the phenol. But here, in this case, the phenol is not a real reactant. Phenoxide ion is a real reactant. Okay, by the acid-base reaction, that is converted to phenoxide ion. Okay. So now in this case, if strong base is used, here this benzene diazonium salt combines with OH minus. These electrons transfer to this one, OH minus attacks on this one. So pH and double bond N OH. That means here no more coupling reaction. No more coupling reaction. Okay. So that means in this case, if strongly alkali medium is used, it combines with the base. If strongly acidic medium is used, this aniline combines with the strong acid. Okay. So in this case, what is the role of weakly alkali medium? To generate the phenoxide ion. This phenoxide ion is the more reactive. Now in this case here, what is the use of this weakly acidic medium? Okay. So first write on this one. Okay. See this one. What is the role of this weakly acid medium? Weakly acid medium. Okay. Now see this one. Actually PH N double bond N lone pair here plus. Okay. In this case, this is the lone pair. NH2 is a lone pair. That means nitrogen has a lone pair of electrons. It is a more nucleophilic. That is a more nucleophilic. So this nucleophile attacks on this one. So PH N double bond N. Here NH2. Sorry. Here H. Here H. Plus. This is the benzene. Okay. Initially, add out. Okay. Initially, this reaction takes place. Now loss of proton. Loss of proton. PH N double bond N. Here NH PH. Okay. But if you add some acid, that means if you add the if you control the weakly acidic medium, that means here the protonation of just wait. Okay, see this one. Okay, so again here protonation takes place. We will see this one. So here PH N double bond N. Here NH. Okay, here H. Here H. In this case, PH. This one carries a positive charge. This one carries a positive charge. Now here the breaking of this bond takes place. Okay, so PH N double bond N. This one carries a positive charge. This one NH2 here PH. Okay. So actually here, first of all, that N plus attacks on this nitrogen, you will get this product. Okay. If you add the acid medium, of course here by loss of proton, we will get this compound. But if you add the acid, weakly acid, so here again protonation takes place actually. That means here medium low acid H plus source unte kanaka. So this one converted into this compound. That means this one. Okay. So already here in this case N plus and nitrogen combines. If there is some extra amount of the H plus ions, if there is a source for the H plus ions in the medium, reaction medium, so here this one converted to like this compound. Okay. If excess of the H plus ions are present in the medium, so this one is converted into this compound. Now here this electrophile attacks on the para position of the benzene. That means here PH N double bond N. So benzene and this one. Actually in the presence of acid medium, this conversion takes place. Okay, in the presence of acid medium, this conversion takes place. Initially, the form actually. If excess of the H plus ions are present, it is converted to this compound. That means it is dissociated to this one. Now this one attacks on the para position of the benzene. Okay, so then coupling, that gives a coupling product, that means a colored compound. So ఈ conversion, ఈ dissociation favor చేయడం కోసం excess of the H plus ions must be available in the acid medium. Okay, that's it. Right now. Okay. Oh, see this one. So next, if different type of diazonium salts are given, okay, if different type of diazonium salts are given, like this one, which of the following is more reactive in that means in coupling reaction, okay, A, this is N2 plus Cl minus, B, N2 plus Cl minus CH3 or OCH3, C N2 plus Cl minus this one NO2 N2 plus Cl minus this is NO2 and NO2. Okay, which of the following is more reactive? Actually here the reactivity of these coupling reactions is explained based on the reactivity of the alkophile. So what is alkophile in this case? Diazonium salt is alkophile. Why it is alkophile? If it is electron deficient, that's why it is a alkophile. Okay. So now here N double bond N, here plus pi bond. This one N double bond O like this. This is the electron withdrawing group. This is the electron withdrawing. So withdraw electron density. That means here in this case the positive charge. Okay, then positive charge increases. Okay, positive charge increases. Electrophilicity means reactivity of the electrophile. Electrophilicity increases. So when diazonium salts contains electron withdrawing group, it is a more reactive electrophile. Actually, this is acting as electrophile. That means here electron deficient species is the electrophile. This NO2 electron withdrawing group increase more electron deficiency, that withdraw electrons from this one. So this nitrogen becomes a more positive, more electron deficient. So it is a more reactive electrophile. This one readily attacks on the aniline or phenol. So the diazonium salt which contains electron withdrawing group is more reactive in coupling reactions. The diazonium salts which contains electron donating group is less reactive, because this donating group, see this one, N double bond N, here plus. Okay, here lone pair of electrons transfer to this one. This is transfer of electrons like this. By the transfer of electrons here, this one carries a partial negative charge. That negatively charged nitrogen is not electrophile. Okay, so it is a donating group. This one transfer the non-bonding electrons to the benzene, from the benzene to the nitrogen. So this nitrogen gains electrons. It means that becomes electron rich. Electron rich species is not a electrophile. So it is a less reactive. It is not involved in coupling reactions. Okay, so that's why here the diazonium salt which contains electron withdrawing group is more reactive in coupling reactions, because this diazonium salt acting as electrophile. That means electron deficient. That electron deficiency is increased by the electron withdrawing groups. By the presence of the electron withdrawing group, reactivity increases. So D more reactive, next C more reactive, A and B is the least reactive, because that has a donating group. Or suppose alkoxyl substitution takes place on the aniline and phenol. Okay, alkoxyl substitution takes place on the aniline and phenol. Now, which of the following is more reactive? Okay, let us see this one. Reactivity in coupling reaction. For suppose phenol, let's see this one. Aniline, OCH3, this NH2 and NH2. This NH2 CH. Now which is more reactive? So here this benzene diazonium salt, the benzene diazonium electrophile attacks on the aniline or phenol. So alkoxyl substitution takes place on the aniline ring. So in this case here, this one contains two strong electron donating groups. So 3 more reactive. Next here NH2 and methane also donating group, 4 more reactive, and this aniline, NH2 strong donating, then the OCH3, so 1 and 2. This is a reactivity. This is a reactivity with respect to this aniline or phenol. Okay, so these compounds are attacked by the diazonium salt. So these compounds are attacked by the electrophile. So these compounds must contain more electron density. This compound must be electron rich. That means electron rich. That electron density increases by the donating groups. Here NH2, NH2, 2 donating groups. Here NH2, CH3, 1 donating group. Of course, both are the donating groups, but CH3 is the weak donating. Here OCH3 is the weak donating than the NH2. Okay. So in this case here, these benzene rings have, this benzene ring has a more electron density, so it is readily attacked by the electron deficient species, that is nothing but benzene disonium ion. But in this case here, the reactivity of the compound, the disonium salt, is explained based on the electron withdrawing groups. If this disonium salt contains electron withdrawing group, that is a more reactive, because that electron withdrawing groups increase the electron deficiency, okay, on the nitrogen, so that becomes a more reactive. Okay, that's it. ఏం లేదు ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ దేని మీద జరుగుతుంది. సో ఈ బెంజీన్కి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెన్సిటీ ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. ఎలా వస్తుంది? డొనేటింగ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెన్సిటీ పెరిగిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది? ఈ నైట్రోజన్ వెళ్ళి అటాక్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఈ నైట్రోజన్ ఎలా ఉండాలి? ఎక్కువ పాజిటివ్ ఛార్జ్ ఉంటుంది. సో నైట్రోజన్ పై పాజిటివ్ ఛార్జ్ ఎప్పుడు క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది? ఎలక్ట్రాన్ విత్ డ్రాయింగ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. సో బై ద ప్రెజెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ విత్ డ్రాయింగ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఆన్ ది బెంజీన్ రింగ్, సో reactivity increases. Okay, that's it. So you can say reactivity of the compounds, this N2 plus Cl minus, here NO2 more reactive, and this one N2 plus Cl minus, here CHO aldehyde group, weak donating group, sorry, weak withdrawing group. Next N2 plus Cl minus, and Cl just minus I group, and simple one N2 plus and Cl minus. Okay, if donating groups are present, that is less reactive. Okay, that's it. Then O2 CHO Cl, strong withdrawing group. Next one. So that is the reactivity of the compounds in coupling reactions. Okay, so write down. Okay, see this one. And these are some more examples, some more colored compounds, colorful compounds. This benzene disonium salt on treating with NN dimethyl aniline. This is not aniline, but dimethyl aniline. Dimethyl aniline, you get the butter yellow compound. Okay, butter yellow compound. Just coupling. Now this benzene disonium salt again on reaction with NN dimethyl aniline, you get the methyl orange. Okay, you know that indicator, methyl orange. That's it, just coupling. So next here, beta naphtha. Beta naphtha, it's a previous advanced question. On treating with benzene disonium salt, in the presence of alkali medium, because phenol kada alkali medium, so coupling takes place on this. Okay, that is orange red. Now this is the salt, which one contains NO2. So again here coupling, we will get the para red. If this is the disonium salt, SO3, just group, different groups, different color. So again this one attacks on this one. Okay, we will get the compound, this named as orange 2. Okay, orange 2. So then whatever the orange one, that is the Ram Charan movie. Okay, that's it. So yeah, this one, para-aminophenol, para-aminophenol. This one, disonium salt in the presence of basic medium. In the presence of basic medium, so here OH becomes a O minus and NH2. Now O minus and NH2, which is a strong donating group? O minus is a strong donating group than the NH2. Negatively charged groups are the strong electron donating groups. So here substitution with respect to O minus takes place. This is the ortho para directing and para directing. Ortho para directing, so para is blocked. So here that electrophile attacks at the ortho position. Okay, that's it. Next here coming to this one. In the presence of acidic medium, OH is not converted to O minus as basic medium, that remove the H plus, that is converted to O minus. O minus is a strong donating group than the NH2. So with respect to O minus, alcohol substitution takes place. Para position is blocked by the NH2, so remaining ortho position is vacant, so alcohol attacks at the ortho position. Now in this case, in weak acidic medium, that OH is not converted to O minus. Now here OH and NH2, which is strong donating group, NH2 is a strong donating group, so alcohol substitution takes place ortho to the NH2. Okay, OH, this one NH2, N double bond, N PH. That's it. Now next, this is salicylic acid, ortho salicylic acid on coupling with this compound. So here para, we will get the alizarin yellow. Okay, so you can check and see the alizarin yellow. just by Google it. Okay, you have a mobile or computer in your hand. Okay, so the coupling reactions, that is about the amines. So very important chapter this one for competitive examination, so you must be very perfect with this chapter. Okay, that's it. Okay, so next మనం ఆల్కలీ హ్యాలైడ్స్ దగ్గర జస్ట్ అరైలీ హ్యాలైడ్స్ దగ్గర ఆ టైంలో మీకు సమ్ వీడియో డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వచ్చింది. అరైలీ హ్యాలైడ్స్ లో టైప్ స్పెసిఫిక్ టాపిక్ డిస్కస్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆ వీడియో క్రాష్ వచ్చింది. ఓకే, క్రాష్ అయిపోయింది వీడియో. సో జస్ట్ ఆ టాపిక్ ఒకటి మనం డిస్కస్ చేసేద్దాం, కంప్లీట్ చేసేస్తే సో ఫర్ దిస్ వీకెండ్ సిలబస్ విల్ బి కంప్లీటెడ్. ఓకే, జస్ట్ రైట్ డౌన్ దిస్.